What's up everyone, I hope you're having a great day and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine the Shiba token and then turn around and stake it on Hotbit to earn around 3.65% APY in passive income. Let's roll that intro. So the first step before we start mining is to secure a Shiba token wallet. I like to use a wallet where I can turn around and stake my cryptocurrency. So in this case, we're going to be using Hotbit. If you don't have a Hotbit exchange account, I'll have a direct sign up link in the video description. Once you sign up, if you go to the top right on this wallet drop down and click on the deposit button, in this crypto drop down, you can type in SHIB and select Shiba token. And here we can find our Shiba token deposit address that we'll need when we start mining. And so next we need to download the unminable miner software, which will allow us to mine the Shiba token. But before we do that, we need to set up a Windows security exclusion. So we'll open up our start menu and start typing Windows security to select it. Then we'll go to virus and threat protection, click on manage settings, scroll down and click on add or remove exclusions. Click add an exclusion and select folder. Browse to your download section and right click and create a new folder, and we'll just call it unmineable. Select the folder you just created and click on select folder. Click yes when prompted. Now we've created a Windows security exclusion so that way the unmineable miner software doesn't get flagged as malware even though it isn't. So now that we've set up the Windows security exclusion, we can download the unmineable miner software. I'll have a direct download link in the video description. And once you open it up, just click on the download tab. And then we want to select the download button that says miner files included. So we'll click on download. Browse to your download section and double click the unmineable folder we just created and save within it. Once downloaded, open up your unmineable folder in your download section, right click the zip file and extract it, and then once extracted just double click the program to run it. Click continue. Here we can select our mining hardware, so if you're going to mine with a graphics card you can select that, or a CPU we can also mine with. Your graphics card is going to give you the most profits, but if you're on an old laptop or old computer, or if you just would prefer to CPU mine instead, you can also do that. I'll show you both methods. First we'll select GPU and click next, and then from this drop down we'll type in SHIB to pull up the Shiba token. And here where it says enter your address is where we'll enter in our Hotbit wallet address. So we'll go back to Hotbit and click on the copy button, and then we'll press Ctrl V to paste it in and just click start. Just give it a minute to ramp up, and now you can see we're mining Shiba token with our GPU. If we click on the advanced settings gearhead, here we can select our mining intensity. If you're doing other things in the background, you may want to keep it on low intensity mining, but to get the most profits you're going to want to select high intensity mining. And then we can also set the GPU mining algorithm, so depending on how much memory your GPU has, you may want to mine Ethereum Classic hash versus Ethereum hash. And if you change any of these settings, just click on save and restart. Next, I'll show you how to mine with your CPU instead. Just click on back, click back again, select CPU, click next. Shiba token and our wallet address are still selected, so we'll just click on start. And after you give it a minute, you can see now via our hash rate that we're mining with our CPU instead. So as far as your payout and payout information, we can look here and see the last 24-hour reward as well as the total paid, when the last payment was, and then what the payout threshold is. And we can see the payout threshold is 700,000 SHIB. And if we look at the current Shiba token price, we can see that 700,000 Shiba tokens is roughly $4.70, just to give you an idea. And if we click on this stats button here, this will open up a web dashboard where you can see your overall balance. You can check on or off to pay automatically from 700,000 SHIB. So if you don't want it to automatically be sent to your Hotbit wallet address, you can check this off. You can find and send your referral code, and you can also look at your mining charts and mining history. So once you start mining and your Shiba tokens are sent automatically to Hotbit, you'll have access to them in your Hotbit wallet, and then we can turn around and stake them on Hotbit by going to the top left and clicking on the investment button. Here you can see hundreds of different investment products that Hotbit has to offer. If we type in SHIB in the search bar, we can find the SHIB Hotbit incentive plan. It's got a 3.65% APY. The redemption method is T+1, so you can withdraw your Shiba tokens within a day or two. And we can see the minimum purchase is 10 million Shiba tokens, which we can see here is roughly $67.20. And to select this investment product, we'll just click on detail. And next we need to transfer our Shiba tokens from our normal account to our investment account. And we can do this by clicking on this asset transfer button. This will transfer instantly with 0 fees, so you don't have to worry about that. And we'll just type in the amount we want to transfer here and click on the transfer button. Once it transfers, you'll see the amount you transferred reflect right here. And we'll type the same amount into this purchase box and click on purchase now. After you do that, it'll begin processing, and after a day or so, you'll start earning daily passive income on your Shiba tokens. So to give you an idea of what this will look like, if we go to the top left again and click on the investment tab, and then we click on assets, here you'll have a direct overview of all the different investment products that you have on Hotbit. And you can see a different cryptocurrency I'm staking called TRX, and you can see the total amount I have staked, the current status, which is income generating, the daily income, as well as the overall income. And at any time, I can click on this redeem button to withdraw the total amount I originally staked, as well as the total income I have earned so far. And that's all there is to it. You can quickly and easily use the unmineable miner software to mine Shiba tokens directly to Hotbit, where you can click a few buttons and turn around and stake it to earn passive income continuously. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.